Hi, myself Rajesh Padala. My student ID 304222503. Here I'm going to explain my reflection on my master's project. My master's project is AI awareness survey, and this is my contribution. Stakeholder identification, survey creation for business and people, recommendations and future work recommendations, summary and limitations. Justification of contribution by skill set, research analysis, conducted literature review on AI impact on transport and logistics and business and consumers, analyzes local factors influencing AI integration in Ballarat, identifying AI trends and operational efficiency and safety, stakeholder engagement, consulted key stakeholders, small business, city officials and logistics firms and education sector health, gathered insights, local AI readiness and infrastructure news, addressed concerns around data security and workforce adoption, technical evaluation, assessed AI infrastructure and feasibility, identified technical gaps and transport logistics within the region, recommended ethical and technical guidelines for AI integration. Time allocation by project phase. We totally divide our project in four phases. In first phase, we create a storyboard and roadmap, how projects will be, how we're gonna plan project in terms. The second one, phase two, sprint one, two, and three. In sprint one, we identify the stakeholders, and sprint two, we create a survey on one for business person and one for consumers. And sprint three, we done the recommendation and ethical application. And sprint phase three, product demonstration, and phase four, project write-up. We are almost spent 260 hours for a project. Major contribution of air transport and logistics in Ballarat. Contribution: AI optimizes route, minimizes the local times and fuel consumption, which is crucial in vast country of Australia, where regional like Ballarat, Geelong enhances safety risk management contribution. AI system reduce the like likelihood of accident and enhance driver safety through features like predictive maintenance, collision evidence systems, and lane departure warnings. Coming to the third one, by improving the logistics efficiency, AI support Ballarat growth as vital logistic hub in Victoria, look boost local economic development, attracts a new business and create job opportunities. And key contributors AI support in Ballarat highlights this various public awareness initiatives, various workforce public forums and informational campaigns have been launched to educate Ballarat residents, business and community leaders on AI potential benefits and challenges. And strategic partnership collaborate between local government, private sector and educational institution has created a strategic foundation for AI development, particularly for acquiring resources and retrieve, workforce transition and program. Programs have been established to help workers transition to AI-driven roles, including training initiatives and social programs addressing potential job displacement. Infrastructure ethics and education contribution, AI infrastructure development. Investments have been made in technological infrastructure like high performance computing and enhanced internet connectivity to support AI adoption. AI in education. AI has been integrated into educational curriculum, ensuring students across discipline gain explore to AI skills and concept. Ethical AI framework. Ballarat has set standards for ethical AI use, including transport data usage and bias-free algorithms, enhancing public trust in AI systems. Major contribution to AI readiness. Ballarat key areas of implement: enhanced infrastructure investments, AI infrastructure development initiative focusing on data centers, high-speed internet, and cloud computing. Capabilities are underway to lay the foundation of AI implementation, workforce training, and educational program. Early stage of investments from government and private sector indicates commitment for fundamental technology. Initial data centers are planned to be fully operational by next fiscal year, and public awareness and ethical framework, engaged initiations, workforce forms, and public awareness campaigns are being launched to educate residents, business, and local leaders on AI benefits and risks. Evidence to progress, strategic recommendation of Bharat, evidence of progress and recommendation for continuous success. Program for workforce transition. Several pilot programs are focusing on retiring workers implemented by automation. The recommendation was Langreal impact studies. Regular assessment of a adoption, economic and workforce impact will help adapt strategic and sustain growth in innovation. Unique contribution and key learning. Unique contributions, comparative stakeholder analysis, conducted detailed analysis of stakeholder, including small business owners, government bodies, and logistics companies, highlighting unique representative on AI integration in Bharat transport and logistics sector, educational, health, and retail. Innovation recommenders proposed action ethical recommendation tailored to Bharat, such as setting up an AI truck force, forming public-private partnership, and focusing on ethical AI development framework. Regional focus for AI benefits, focused on impact analysis of regional development, liking AI benefits directly Bharat economic growth, workforce needs, and sustainable infrastructure. Key learning, AI transformative potential, gaining insights into the AI power to revolutionize logistics through automation, route optimization, and safety enhancement. Importance of stakeholder engagement, learning the critical role engaging various stakeholders to address concerns and drive successfully AI integration, challenges and implementing AI, recognition the challenges in AI adoption, including the public awareness, technical infrastructure, and ethical consideration, especially in the region setting is like Bharat. Course reflection and improvement suggestions. What I like the most. Hands-on research with real-world relevance. Enjoyed applying the theoretical AI knowledge to practical industry challenges, seeing how technology impacts the local economy and society. Focus ethical and social dimensions. Appreciated to a course impulse and ethical AI, including the transport and privacy, which is crucial responsible for AI adoption. Collaborative learning environment, engaged with drivers' viewpoints through group discussion with entering learning the learning experience and understanding of AI border impacts. Ideas, ideas of improvement, more cases studies on regional AI applications and increased emphasis and technical skill on AI logistics and extended discussion, providing more resources for sessions focusing on emerging AI trends for technological would help prepare students for upcoming advancement in the industry. We in the sprint one, I learn how to identify the stakeholders and how to implement our AI knowledge in the stakeholders, how to get and how to gather information from the stakeholders, how to reach the stakeholders. And from sprint two, I learn creating how to create the survey and what are the main points should be mentioned in the survey, uh, how we need to give the options to the survey, how to distribute the survey. And the third sprint, we I done the job for recommendations. I applied my AI knowledge and my practical knowledge to the sprint through work. I learned so much from this whole project, how to do the certifications and how to do the identify the stakeholders and how to implement our knowledge to the specific stakeholders and specific unique one. Thank you.